Do you know that the only difference between the very successful people and people who are not successful is simply information? What they know that you do not know. That's what makes them different from you or makes them different from someone who is not successful. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a ChatGPT prompt that will make you millions of naira. This I am actually sure of because this is something I have actually replicated over time and it has yielded me money. Now, very quickly, if you go to my screen, you will see something very quickly. Now, these are people that are making a lot of money from actually what? The same thing that ChatGPT can do for you. It's simply writing SEO optimized or blog post. And a number of people are actually looking for a skill like this that they can actually pay for. I promise you that until tomorrow, people will still be looking for skills like this to pay you for. Now, these are skills that are actually very simple and you can implement using ChatGPT. However, you do not have all the time to learn this skill, right? You can make money from it, but the question is that do you have all the time in the world to actually learn how to write an SEO optimized blog post? Absolutely not. It took me almost 2 years to actually get to a point where I can actually beat my chest and say that I can write a good SEO optimized article that can actually rank on Google. 2 years. You do not have that time, and that's why I'm trying to cut your journey short for you by showing you this simple ChatGPT hack that can actually get you to a point where writing an SEO optimized article becomes very easy peasy for you without having to go through 2 years learning curve for you to get to know this. Now, why do you need to do this, and why do you actually need to implement this, and why do you actually need to start right now making money from this platform? It is because SEO optimized blog posts or articles are actually sought after. Now, not too long ago, I actually worked for a client, a very big company. As a matter of fact, this company is a multinational company that requested for SEO optimized article. Now, they could have gone the way of going through Google ads, and pushing their articles, pushing their content out there, but they recognize the fact that Google and SEO optimized article that are optimized for Google will stand the test of time. But articles that have been created and pushed by Google Ads will constantly require Google Ads to be pushed out there. And there are also other organizations that do not even have the budget to actually come up with SEO optimized article. What these organizations do is that they actually, instead of spending more money on Google, they actually pay writers to come up with SEO optimized articles for them by simply creating a content that can rank on Google over time. Now, this content might not rank on Google in the first 1 month or first 3 weeks or first 2 months. However, eventually this article, because it has been optimized for Google, it will get to the front page of Google and will stay there over the course of time. It is not, if it's ever going to go off that first page, it is only going to be because there is another article that probably does better than it. And then the simple hack is simple. You can always come back to re-optimize this article and then simply, boom, it start ranking again on Google. All right, guys. Now, like I said, I just went further to explain to you how important this skill I'm about to show you is, how necessary it is for you to actually get this good ChatGPT hack. The reason is that you have ChatGPT on your phone, and just like Google has over 2 billion searches every single day of the week, every single day of the week searches. And guess what these people are reading? Articles online. And I have shown you so many times how you can make money from Google News. If you have not seen that video, it is going to reflect at the end of this video, and you just click on it and watch it. But I reckon with the fact that a lot of people still come to my comment section and DM and ask me, how do I actually make money from Google, when I have actually showed you how you can make it? A lot of people are still not making this money. A lot of people are still not actually taking advantage of Google. There are so many ways. Google is one of the platforms that has made me the most money. And now ChatGPT is in the block. ChatGPT has made me so much money already. And it really hurts me that a lot of people have not made money online. And that's why I'm deciding to share this with you. Now, hold on. If this is your first time on my channel, I want you to do something. I want you to click on the subscribe button, because that's one of the best decisions you'll make in your journey online. A lot of times you surf through the internet trying to get content that can educate you on how to make money online, but eventually you just keep seeing clickbait, all right? Channels that will just tell you do this and do this for money. But on this channel, I share with you valuable tips that can actually change your financial life and actually educate you on online financial literacy. All you have to do, like I said, is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, you would also do well to like this video so that it will get in the face of more people. And if you even want to learn much more than what you're learning in this video, you can do very well to actually drop a comment in the comment section saying, Phil, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you a special invite that would give you access to my one-on-one master class, and you'll be able to actually go through our courses for free. You do not have to pay anything anytime to access our courses. And guess what? There are also free tools that you can also access by being a part of my class. Now, without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you this actual ChatGPT hack that can make you millions of naira in the next few days. So you want to come on ChatGPT, and you can see currently my ChatGPT interface look like this, and that's because I have actually imputed the prompt already. Now, for you to get this prompt, before I tell you how it works, all you have to do is to go on your Chrome browser and just type the AI PRM Chrome extension. See it? So once you click on AI PRM Chrome extension, it's going to bring you to a prompt like this. All you have to do is to click on it, give it some time to load, and it will tell you to add to Chrome. All right, all you have to do is to add it to your Chrome. On this point here, it is going to tell you add to your Chrome browser, and once you add it to your Chrome browser, that's about it. Currently I have it installed already on my Chrome browser. That's why it's asking me to remove from Chrome, so I don't want to remove it from Chrome. And once you do that, your ChatGPT is going to look this way. But before you do that, your ChatGPT is going to look this way. Very pale, very simple, nothing to help you do anything. Everything you type in here is absolutely going to be from your head, and there are no prompts, there are no guidelines, right? But on this platform, it has been actually done for you already. Now, these are the things we want to leverage using this ChatGPT Chrome extension, right? It's called Human 100% Unique SEO Optimized Article. Here on, you can also do use SEO Optimized Content Writer for blog posts, for those who write blog posts, fully SEO Optimized Article, including facts, which is, of course, frequently asked questions, all right? This also says it writes the best article to rank on Google. This mid-John, you do not need this. I'm going to create a different video that will show you how to actually use it. It says human-like rewriter. What this simply means is that once you're done creating your article, right, you can also come here and rewrite your AI generated article with this tool. You can get up to 90 to 100% human generated score. Now, what we need is actually 100% SEO optimized article, right? So I'm just going to click on, I'm going to click on that 100% human generated article. You come up with articles, come up with article idea. You can see human 100 written 100% is currently here on my, so whatever I do here is going to be human written 100% written article. So let's assume I want to write an article on the stock market, right, in the US stock market in 2024, right? So I'm just going to come here and type stock market, or the US stock market, the US stock market analysis in 2024. I'm going to click on search and allow it to actually come up for me with a very clean prompt optimized article. Now you can see it's actually bringing out current trend for us. You can see introduction, overview of the US stock market, current market trends, bullish or bearish market trends. Give it some time, it's going to come up with a very beautiful article for you. Now you can see it has come up with the introduction, or the content rather. Now it is developing the content for us. Now we do not have all that time to do this. So basically we're going to move to the next thing, which is actually taking this article that has been created for us and actually making it 100 or 90 to 100% human generated article. So even before we move to the next stage, you can see, you can choose what language you want it to be in. It can either be in English, Spanish, whatever language you're interested in, French, whatever. Now you can also choose the default tone you want. You can choose for it to be emotional. You can choose for it to be, you need to upgrade for more, of course. Now the default writing style can be poetic. Now you can continue select the option you want it to be. You can clarify, exemplify, expand, explain, rewrite, shorten, whatever you want. All right, so this is about this prompt. So now what we want to do is to copy this article that has been created for us here, right? I'm just going to click on the human rights rewriter, and I'm going to paste the article that I've copied here and see what it does for me with the article. Now I'm just going to click on this so it will just rewrite the article for me. And so, my friend, that's about all that you need. Once this article is actually rewritten for you, then you do not just have an SEO optimized article. You have an article that has been recreated in the human form, such that you can use this article anywhere on any website. Now you can just go and create your free gig on Fiverr, on platforms, or probably apply for jobs with multinational companies and position yourself in such a way that they can know that you are able to actually get them this job done. All right, now without further ado, I want you to start implementing. So I'll see you in the next video. But before then, if you're just a returning subscriber or you are a new subscriber, do very well to like this video. Thank you.